What is going on, you guys? T-Mogul back again. We're hopping right into this video, and we're gonna drive my girlfriend's 2019 Ford Mustang EcoBoost Premium, and we're gonna try to get this check engine light off, which is a 4096 code, which is the EVAP system. So we're gonna work on this today and still look a little vlog style, see how you guys like it, I don't know, and see if it'll fix the issue. I was told by multiple sources that it's just a purge valve, you know, replace it and it'll go away. So yeah, once I get to the location, I will get back to you guys in a little bit. We removed this, and apparently that's all in as hot as balls out here. I might have to give you my GoPro so you can do like a little drive point of view down and up your mountain in your car one day. I might have to. Why? Just because. This is the cleanest he's ever had this car since I met him. Cleanest ever. He claims I got him addicted to this stuff right here. Supposedly. I don't remember giving you this, but it's okay. You gave it to me a million times. Yeah. That's probably why I don't remember. Probably why. Did you have something to cut these holes? Holes off. You do? Can you do that to my bumper? You want to? I indubitably do, because I've seen a lot of people that drift the same car as me have holes on the left side apparently, so I'm guessing that's for the intake. So I would like some holes in my vehicle, please.
Oh, yeah. This thing is it.
Yeah, but that filter's kind of nasty, so. Oh. But, yeah. Dusty. Now, where's this stupid purge valve at? Shoot it. Oh, that right there?
Yeah. That's it.
Oh, that's pretty simple.
This is like a 5-minute job.
Oh. I was over here thinking it was going to be something else.
Luckily, this one's on top of the stupid thing.
Oh.
Purge valve for that thing is under the intake manifold.
Really? Mm-hmm. Under the intake manifold, in the front, or just is it sitting?
Oh, in the back. In the back?
Oh, thought you meant like right under the intake. No, it's in the.
No, under the manifold. So if
I don't see anything wrong with. Is this the reason why that shit? No, that shouldn't be the reason why that shit's throwing a code. No.
That's most likely stuck.
That's why.
Either open or closed. So this vents basically fuel vapors from your charcoal canister into, in your case, right behind your throttle body, into your manifold to help with combustion. Mm-hmm. So it's basically when you're starting up,
causing the issue.
Yeah, it's when you first turn the car on or you go to give it gas.
Gas, yeah. It'll sit there and stutter.
Because it's supposed to have help and it's not there.
I'm hoping that's the case. I hope this is the reason.
Already lost.
Have you done spark plugs on your car before?
Yeah.
Is it as hard as people made it sound like?
I can get it done in about 45 minutes. Apparently on your car, I could probably do it in about 10.
10.
On this thing? 10. Right?
So, but when you first did it on your car, you was like, how long was it usually like take? Because I heard it was like it would be a pain in the ass. It was a pain in the ass for those cars. I never got to do that in my BRZ, but no.
People like to bitch and whine and complain.
True.
But It's really not terrible.
It's not terrible. You heard it here. So if you have an FRS GRD6 or whatever, you can get it done in 45 minutes.
I've also probably done 50 cars now.
Yeah, that's...
so I know how to do it in 45 minutes.
50 cars, 50 of them. That was pretty.
Also, not following the repair manual at all. I don't want to. So. I think his name is Caden.
Caden? What does he look like? What does he drive?
He has yellow 8.6.
Is it the... I hope this... I can clear it. See if I can go ahead and clear this son of a bitch. And see what happens to overnight. And see what he does. Oh my goodness. Alright. Now we clear the code. Happily ever after. See guys, that was a very simple thing. If you ever want, this is not a to-do tutorial list. This is just a blog, man. If you so happen to have it, that's all you had to do apparently. Just open the valve under the little cover bullshit and do that. And there's a little code, and now we're gonna race to some of the bitch. Yay! Yay! Alright. We're done. Alright. Now the fun part. I raced it. It's over. It's done.
Damn, you already raced it?
Yep, done. Yeah. My little bullshit cheap one, yeah. My little $20 OBD scanner. Can't believe I got that scanner just because of a new car. That's crazy. It was so much fun. Turn it off and then that car would barely start. Good time.